Hello students, I am Sai Baba here. So next in this class I am going to show you the next set of questions in the assignment in thermodynamics. So earlier I have already shown you the first set of questions in thermodynamics 1 to 30. I have also discussed the solutions of the questions numbering from 1 to 30. So in this class I will be just showing the next set of questions in the assignment in thermodynamics numbering from 31 to 60. So in this class I will be just showing the questions one by one from 31 to 60. And I will not be discussing the solutions of these questions in this class. So at the end, I will be showing you the answers for all these questions. So I will start the discussion of solutions for these questions in my next class. So in this class, I will be just showing the questions one by one. You please go through these questions. So make an effort to answer these questions and don't get discouraged if you are not able to answer good number of questions. So you please look at the screen. I am going to show you the question number 31. Look at the question number 31 on the screen. A gas for which gamma equal 1.5 is suddenly compressed to 1/4 of initial volume. And the rate of the final to the initial pressure is. You are shown 4 options on screen. Come on, take a pause and finish trying this question. Take a pause and take your time, not too long time, and try the question. So next I am going to show you the next question, question number 32 on the screen. Look at the question number 32. I am going to read the question number 32. 5 moles of hydrogen, gamma equals 7/5. Initially at STP are compressed adiabatically so that its temperature becomes 400 degrees centigrade. The increase in the energy of the gas in kilojoules is, within brackets, molar gas constant R equal to 8.30 joule per mole per Kelvin. So I have shown 4 options on the screen. Come on, take a pause and finish trying this question. So I'll be, come on, take a pause and finish trying this question. So next I am going to show the next question on screen, question number 33. Look at the question number 33 on the screen. Read the 2 statements. The internal energy of ideal gas increases in isobaric expansion. That is the statement here. Statement B, the internal energy of an ideal gas increases in adiabatic expansion. Mark 1 as your answer if both A and B are true. You have to mark 2 if both A and B are false. Mark 3 if A is wrong and B is correct. And you have to mark your option as 4 if B is wrong and A is correct. Come on, take a pause and try to answer the question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. Look at the question number 34. In a given process on an ideal gas, dW equal to 0 and dQ equal to 0. Then for the gas, 4 options are given. The temperature will decrease, the volume will increase, the pressure will remain constant, the temperature will increase. I think there need to be a correction for this. So in the screen here, you make a correction. dq less than 0, not dq equal to 0. make the correction. Come on, take a pause and answer the question. So I'm going to show the next question on screen here. See the question number 35. I'm going to read the two statements shown on screen. Assertion. In a bottle of cold carbonated drink is opened. A slight fog forms around the opening. Reason. Adiabatic expansion of the gas causes lowering of temperature and condensation of water vapors. So look at the options. You have to mark your option as 1. If both assertion and reason are true, the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. You have to mark your answer as 2. If both assertion and reason are true and reason is not the correct explanation for the assertion. You have to mark 3 if assertion is true and but reason is false. You have to mark 4 if both assertion and reason are false statements. Come on, take a pause and try to answer the question. So I'm going to show you the next question on screen here. Look at the question number 36. A fixed mass of a diatomic gas initial at pressure P and volume V expands adiabatically until its absolute temperature falls to 1/4 of initial temperature. Work done by the gas is, you are shown 4 options screen in terms of product of initial pressure and initial volume V. Come on, take a pause and try to answer the question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. Look at the question number 37 on screen. Temperature of 1 mole of an ideal gas is increased from 300 Kelvin to 310 Kelvin under isochoric process. Heat supplied to the gas in this process is Q equal 25 into R, where R equal to universal gas constant. What amount of the work has to be done by the gas if the temperature of gas decreases from 310 Kelvin to 300 Kelvin adiabatically? I have shown 4 options on screen in terms of Kepler. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So next I am going to show you the next question on screen. Look at the question number 38. When an ideal gas at pressure P, temperature T and volume V is isothermally compressed to V by N, its pressure becomes Pi. The gas is compressed adiabatically to V by N, its pressure becomes Pa. The ratio Pi by Pa is, within brackets, gamma equals Cp by Cv. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So I'm going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 39. An ideal gas at pressure P is adiabatically compressed so that its density becomes n times the initial value. The final pressure of the gas will be, within brackets, gamma equal to Cp by Cv. I have shown 4 options on the screen. First option, n power gamma into P. Second option, n power minus gamma into P. Third option, n power gamma minus 1 into P. Fourth option, n power 1 minus gamma into P. Come on, take a pause and try to answer this question. Of course, gamma is equal to Cp by Cv. That means gamma is the ratio of specific heat. at constant pressure and specific heat at constant volume. So I'm going to next show the next question on screen. Look at the question number 40. A monoatomic ideal gas, initial temperature T1, is enclosed in a cylinder fitted with a frictionless piston. The gas is allowed to expand adiabatically to temperature T2 by releasing the piston suddenly. L1 and L2 are the length of the gas column before and after expansion respectively. The ratio T1 by T2 is given by, so you are shown 4 options on the screen. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. Look at the question number 41. Starting with the same initial conditions, an ideal gas expands from volume V1 to V2 in 3 different ways. The work done by the gas is W1. The process is purely isothermal. W2 is purely isobaric. And W3 is purely adiabatic. Then there are 4 options on the screen. First option W2 gradient W1 gradient W3. Second option W2 gradient W3 gradient W1. Third option W1 gradient W2 gradient W3. So fourth option, so need to be the different order W1 less than W2 less than W2, that is less than W3. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So take a pause and try to answer this question. So next I am going to show the next question on the screen, question number 42. In an adiabatic chain, the pressure and temperature of monoatomic gas are related as P proportional T power C, where C equals. There are 4 options on screen. Come on, take a pause and try to answer the question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. Look at the question number 43. The thermodynamic process helium gas obeys the law of T by P power 2 by 5 equal to constant. The heat given to the gas when temperature of small m moles of gas is raised from T to 2T is. There are 4 options on the screen. Come on, take a pause and try to answer the question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. Look at the question number 44 on the screen. PV plots for 2 gases during adiabatic process are shown in the figure. Plots 1 and 2 should correspond respectively to Four options. First option, helium and oxygen. Second option, oxygen and helium. Third option, helium and argon. Fourth option, oxygen and nitrogen. Come on, take a pause and try to answer the question. That means for both the curves, the starting point is the same. Or you may draw, I'm trying to draw the curves again on the right side. Come on, take a pause and try to answer the question. So I am going to show you the next question on screen. See the question number 45. Temperature versus pressure graph of an ideal gas is as shown. During the process AB, the statement A, energy of the gas remains constant. B, volume of the gas is increased. C, work done by the atmosphere of the gas is positive. D, pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So there are four options here. You have to mark first option if only A and D are correct. You have to mark second option if only A and B are correct. You have to mark third option if only A, C and D are correct. You have to mark the fourth option as your answer if only A is correct. Come on, take a pause and try to answer the question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. Look at the question number 46. The case of a expansion of fixed mass of an ideal gas, match list 1 with list 2. So on the list 1 on the left side, A, isothermal expansion, B, free expansion, C, adiabatic expansion, D, isobaric expansion. List 2, P, work done by the gas is equal to decrease in energy. Q, work done by the gas is less than the heat absorbed by it, or no change of energy of the gas. S, work done by the gas is equal to the heat absorbed. You please take a pause first and try to do the matching. That is A, B, C, D match to which one of the four, each one of the items on the left side match to which item on the right side. You have to please write on rough paper. Then you can see the options, four options which I am going to show you in the next slide. Come on, take a pause and finish trying the question. So I am going to show you the four options for this question so that you can take up your answers, so that which one of the options you get as your answer. So option 1, A to P, B to R, C to P, D to S. Option 2, A to R, both R and S. A matches with both R and S, B matches with R, C, P, D, Q. Third option, A to S, B to P, C to Q, D to R. Fourth option, A to Q, B to R, C to P, D to S. Come on, check up your answers. So I am going to show the next question on screen. Look at the question number 47. 1 mole of a monoatomic ideal gas undergoes the process A to B in the given PV diagram. The specific heat for this process is. Come on, take a pause and try to answer the question. You can, from the graph, you can observe that volume at A is V0, volume at B. The figure you should have B here. Make correction. And pressure at A is 3P0, pressure at B is 6P0. Come on, take a pause and finish trying the question. Take your own time and try to finish your working. So I am going to show the next question on screen. So look at the question number 48 on screen. PV diagram of ideal gas is as shown in the figure. Work done with the gas in the process ABCD is. So you have to find the answer in terms of P0, P0. You are given four options on the screen below the diagram. You have to pick up the correct option. Come on, take a pause and try to solve the question. So I am going to show you the next question on screen. Look at the question number 49. The gas undergoes a change of state during which 100 joule of heat supplied to it and does 20 joule of work. The system brought back to its original state through a process during which 20 joules of heat is released by this gas. The work done by the gas in the second process is. There are 4 options on the screen. Come on, take a pause and try the question. See the question number 50. The gas is initially at pressure of 10 power 5 Pascal and volume 2 cubic meter. The volume is changed isobarically to 2.5 cubic meter from this stage. The pressure is changed isochorically to 2 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. The gas is brought back to initial state linearly in the indicated diagram. During the entire process, the gas, again 4 options on screen. First option, absorbs 25 kilojoules of energy. Second option, releases 25 kilojoules of energy. Third option, absorbs 10 kilojoules of energy. Fourth option, releases 10 kilojoules of energy. Come on, take a pause and finish trying the question. So I am going to show you the next question on screen. See the question number 51. An ideal gas is taken through cycle A to B, B to C, C to A, as shown in the figure. The net heat supplied to the gas cycle is 5 joules. The work done by the gas in the process C to A is. Come on, look at the diagram and options. You can observe from the diagram, volume at A is 1 cubic meter, volume at B is 2 cubic meter. Pressure at A is 10 Newton per meter square. The line AB is parallel to y-axis, the line BC is parallel to x-axis. Come on, take a pause and finish trying the question. So I am going to show you the next question on screen. Look at the question number 52. When a system is taken from state A to state B along the path ACB, 80 joules of heat flows into the system. And the system does 30 joules of work. How much heat flows into the system along the path ADB? The work done is 10 joules. Come on, take a pause and try to answer the question. So come on, take a pause and finish trying to answer the question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. So look at the question number 53. An ideal gas is taken along the path ABC as shown in the figure. Choose the correct alternatives. So first you copy this graph because alternatives are shown in the next slide. The place is not sufficient here. You can observe on the graph, volume at A is 1 cubic meter, volume at B 3 cubic meter. Pressures at A and B are 1 Newton per meter square, pressure at C is 2 Newton per meter square. ABC is a right angle triangle. Come on, copy this graph, diagram in your rough notebook or regular class notes. After you have finished copying the diagram, then you can see the options. I am going to show you next slide. In case you need more time to copy the diagram, you can take a pause. Look at the options on the screen. Option A, work done by the gas from A to B is 2 joules. Option B, work done by the gas from B to C is 0. So option C, work done by the gas from C to A is 3 joules. Option D, work done by the gas from C to A is minus 3 joules. You have to mark your answer as 1. Only A, B, C are correct. You have to mark your answer as 2 if only A and B are correct. So third option, if only A, B and D are correct. Fourth option, only B is correct. Come on, finish trying. Take a pause and finish trying the question. I am going to show you the next question on screen. Look at the question number 54. A thermodynamical process is shown in the figure with PA equal to 3 in 10 power 4 Pascal, VA equal to 2 in 10 power minus 3 cubic meter, PB equal to 8 into 10 to the power 4 in 10 power meter square, VD equal to 5 in 10 power minus 3 cubic meter. The process A, B and BC, 600 joules and 200 joules of heat is added to the system respectively. The change in temperature system in the process AC would be. Come on, take a pause, copy the diagram and try to solve the problem. So look at the next question, question number 55. The thermodynamic system is taken through cycle ABCD as shown in the figure during the process. So you are given the pressures at A and D and volumes at A and D, volumes at B and C. Come on, take a pause and finish trying the question. So to find the net amount of heat absorbed or lost during the cycle. So I am going to show the next question on screen. Look at the question number 56. 3 moles of an ideal monatomic gas perform a cycle as shown in the figure. The gas temperatures in different states are A, T1 equal to 400 Kelvin, T2 equal to 800 Kelvin, T3 equal to 2400 Kelvin, T4 equal to 1200 Kelvin. The work done with the gas during the cycle will be. Come on, take a pause and try to answer the question. Come on, take a pause and finish trying the question. I'm going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 57. Cyclic process ABCA is shown in the PT diagram. It says the following curves correctly represent the process on a VT diagram. Come on, take a pause and finish trying the question. So given one of the previous MCET exam papers in engineering. Come and take a pause and finish the question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. Look at the question number 58. 1 mole of an ideal gas subjected to a cyclic process as shown. 1000 joule of heat energy is withdrawn from cycle in a withdrawn from the gas in a complete cycle. Find the work done in joule on the gas during the process B to C. Take R equal to 8.30 joule per mole per Kelvin. Difference in the temperatures of the gas at A and C is given as 100 Kelvin. Come on, take a pause and try the question. I am going to show the options in the next slide. Come on, take a pause and finish trying the question. I have shown the options on screen. So next, look at the next question. Question number 59. An ideal gas expanded isothermally double the volume. Then it is compressed adiabatically to the initial volume. Delta P, comma, delta W, comma, delta U and delta T are change in pressure, net work done with the gas, net change in energy and change in temperature of the gas respectively. Then you have to pick up the wrong options among the four options. Come on, take a pause and try the question. So I am going to show the next question on screen. Look at the question number 60, the last question in this class, in this part of assignment. Two thermally insulated vessels 1 and 2 are filled with air at temperatures T1, T2, volume V1, V2, and pressures P1, P2 respectively. The wall joining the two vessels is open. The temperature inside the vessel at equilibrium will be. So you are given four options screen. Come on, take a pause and finish trying the question. So next I am going to show you the answers for all these questions on the screen. So please don't get discouraged if you are not able to answer good number of questions or if you are not able to answer most of the questions. Everybody has the chance to improve and everybody certainly can improve provided they are interested to improve. In case you are not able to answer most of the questions, not even 4 or 5 questions, in that case you can do like this. You can go through the solutions I will be discussing in the next classes, in the next sessions. After going through the solutions, you take a gap of 1 day. Next day, you again come back to the assignment. Again, work out all the questions 31 to 60 without looking into solutions. So that finally you should be in a position to answer any of these questions or any of these models in case same model question comes in the actual entrance examination. So I am going to show the answers here. Look at the answer for questions 31 to 40. For question number 31, fourth option is answer. For question number 32, second option is answer. For question number 33, fourth option is answer. Next to question 34 and 35, first option is answer. For question number 36, second option is answer. For question number 37, third option is answer. For question number 38, fourth option is answer. For question number 39, first option is answer. For question number 40, fourth option is answer. Then you see the answers for 41 to 50. For question number 41, first option is answer. For question number 42, second option is answer. For question number 43, fourth option is answer. For question number 44, second option is answer. For question number 45, third option is answer. For question number 46, second option is answer. Question number 47, first option is answer. Question number 48, third option is answer. Question number 49, first option is answer. For question number 50, second option is answer. See the next set of questions, 51 to 60. Answers for questions 51 to 60. For question number 51, first option is answer. For question number 52, fourth option is answer. For question number 53, third option is answer. For question number 54, first option is answer. For question number 55, second option is answer. For question number 56, first option is answer. For question number 57, second option is answer. For question number 58, first option is answer. Question number 59, third option is answer. For question number 60, fourth option is answer. So in my next class, I will start discussion of solutions for these questions.